Namaskar. Good evening to all. So today now we are going to start our next topic, the making of the nationalism in Europe. This is your second topic of the chapter. In this chapter now we are going to start or discuss about the how an entire nation, entire continent to become a nations. So first of all, in the mid 18th century, there were no nation state exist in France. Germany, Italy, Switzerland were divided into kingdoms. They all ruled by any one empire. First of all, Eastern and the Central were under autocratic monarchies. It means those part who lying in the eastern and the western part, they were ruled by monarch or kings, and these kingdoms had a huge area. There are like so many regions come under that empire. अगर बात करें कि जो मेकिंग ऑफ द नेशनलिज्म जो यूरोप के अंदर हुई है, पहले कोई भी वहाँ पे राष्ट्र राज्य नहीं था जैसे आज हम जानते हैं स्विट्ज़रलैंड, इटली, जर्मनी कोई राज्य आज के टाइम में हम जो देख रहे हैं वो एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. बट इन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम देयर वर नो नेशन स्टेट. स्लोली एंड स्टाइली द आइडिया ऑफ टू फॉर्म अ नेशन स्टेट came to existence. First clear expression we got from French Revolution. Before that, a monarchical or monarchical system were exist in entire continent. There were like big kingdoms who ruled over the entire continent. First, now autocracy. It is very important to know about the word. What does it mean? A system of government. What is autocracy? Autocracy means a system of government of country in which one person has complete power. Like suppose a king who have complete power to rule over the nation. Then what is the main fact of monarchical reason? Now we are going to discuss about that. What is the main features of a monarchy? So they were not much aware about their collective identity. Before the formation of the nation state, पीपल वर नॉट मच अवेयर. वो ज़्यादा अवेयर तो नहीं थे कि कोई राष्ट्र राज्य जैसी कोई चीज़ हुआ करती. जैसे वी ऑल हु वी आर इंडियंस, वी लिव इन इंडिया. हम इंडियंस हैं, इंडिया के अंदर रहेंगे. सो दैट्स वाई वी आर इंडियंस. नेक्स्ट थिंग, दे वर नॉट अवेयर. इवन ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम पीपल वर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट द collective identity. They didn't know anything about the nation state. They speak or they spoke different languages. They came from different region. But and they also belongs to different ethnic groups. Ethnic it means community or population made up of people who share common culture or background. Suppose we all are the Indians, but we all are come from the different region, but we share our culture, we share our background. Suppose we live in Himachal Pradesh, so we all are the Himachali, but the culture and tradition are different to each and every part of our state. But after that we all are in ethnic group, we are or the part of ethnic group. Like it means community or population made up of people who share their common culture. जो हम फिर भी हम एक दूसरे का क्या करते हैं, common culture. There are like similarity, there are like so many similarity in our culture. बहुत सारी similarity हमारे culture के अंदर देखने को हमें मिलती है. Big empire. Now let's talk about the big empire who ruled over entire continent of Europe. First of all, Habsburg Empire. Habsburg Empire was a very big empire which was existed in European continent, and that Habsburg Empire ruled over a big and vast area of Europe. First of all, they ruled over in which area? Habsburg Empire ruled over Austria, Hungary, Alpine regions, Tyrol, Austria, Sutherland, then Bohemian, German-speaking people. Those who even look at the people, German-speaking people who speak German language, they live in the Bohemian region, Lombardy and Venetia. You have also given Italian speaking people, but they all under one empire. What is the name of that empire? Habsburg Empire. But ye all are the part of the Habsburg Empire. Now Hungary, half of Hungary, half speaking people in Hungary spoke Magyar language and half have different dialects. और आधे से ज़्यादा उनके पास क्या था, एक different dialects उनके पास रहता था, एक अलग तरह का dialects उनके पास रहता है. Now talk about Galicia. Now next area which was under Habsburg Empire, that was a Polish area. कौन सा area? Polish area. People lived in different region in Europe, but their faith in one empire. And what is the name of that empire? Habsburg Empire. Now we talk about the Bohemian and Slovaks. They live in north. Slovenes, they live in Carnolia, Croats, south. Romans, east. Transylvania. Now only one thing which unite them, that was the binding them, that was a common allegiance to the emperor. पूरा एक कॉमन एलिजेंस था, एक फेथ था किसके लिए? राजा के लिए, कि जो हैब्सबर्ग एम्पायर है, वी ऑल आर द पार्ट ऑफ दैट हैब्सबर्ग एम्पायर. ऑल आर लाइक कम फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट रीजन, ऑल हैव डिफरेंट कल्चर, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज, डिफरेंट ट्रेडिशन, डिफरेंट कॉस्ट्यूम, बट only one thing which unite them, that was, what was that? That was Habsburg Empire. All were well aware, they all were the part of Habsburg Empire, and they follow all the rules and regulation which was made by the Habsburg Empire for themselves. Now I want to finish my lecture today. In our next lecture we are going to start our now next topic 2.1, the aristocracy and the new middle class which emerged in that time. Thank you.